I'm Jake Hunt. We farm corn and soybeans near Blandonsville, Illinois, and we run two Case 1255 24-row planters. When I first inquired about these Air Adjust Residue Managers, I was told by my salesman that I would not need the depth bands on them, and we've always ran the Yetter depth bands on our pin adjust floating residue manager, so I was a little leery about that. And having run a whole year with the Air Adjust and no depth bands, I quickly found out that I don't need them at all. They work perfectly without them. Well, coming into the first time using the Air Adjust, previously we'd ran the floating pin adjust residue managers from Yetter, and we'd pretty much adjust them once or twice in corn, and then when we'd switch to beans, once or twice in beans. And I found out rather quickly that with the Air Adjust, I'm constantly adjusting them to do exactly what I want them to do, and that was a big advantage for us, because your trash is not all evenly distributed throughout the field. So being able to adjust them from the cab like that was a huge advantage in my opinion. So we have two 24-row 1255 case planters, and we had the Air Adjust on one planter, which was the one I ran, and the other planter was just a pin adjust floating residue manager. And we had to switch between strip till and worked ground, and where I could just hit one button and lift the residue managers all the way up, on the other planter it took about a half an hour, 20 minutes to a half hour to manually raise and pin the residue managers up off the ground. So I saw that as a big advantage. You can go back and forth between any type of crop residue or tillage practice and not have to get out of the cab to adjust the managers. It was
I'm Will Beer from Northeast Missouri. We run a 3800 Kinsey, and we run in primarily strip till and some conventional tillage. And the reason that we went with the Yetter air-controlled row cleaners like this was we do a lot of custom planting, and conditions change a lot, and it saves me hours and hours a day to be able to just instantly pick them up if I don't need them, or the on-the-go adjustments in the cab. And we haven't found anything that we can't chew these shark teeth through yet. We've had a long history with Yetter and Yetter products, and I am very impressed with these. And like I said, we're custom farming, and we have to have the ability to change everything on the go. It just works, and we're just very happy with them.